Микрофон включила?
Нет. Hi guys, my name is Ksenia and I'm glad to welcome you on my channel. Here I speak about some random gothic stuff. And straight to the deal, there are thousands of videos about KILLSTAR hauls, KILLSTAR unboxing on YouTube, and also I made some myself. But today I want to make a concise video about how to order from KILLSTAR in the most profitable way. The information in this video is relevant for autumn 2020 and maybe for a half year or a year after. So let's start. First of all, you have to be registered on their web page, and if you didn't yet, you can get a plus 5% discount, even for reduced prices. For your registration, you will need a referral link, and you can ask your friend or your favorite gothic blogger, or people just share them. You can find them on Facebook or Twitter. There are thousands of them, and you will help the person who gave you the link. I will explain later how it works. If you don't want to search, you can use mine. It's in description below. Or if for some reason you don't like the idea of referral programs but still want the code, you can use promo code FIRSTORDER5 for 5%, and it works. Okay, and if you already have an account, you can share your own referral link. If somebody will use your referral link and place an order for absolutely any sum, you will get 500 points, which could be used at discount later. So, you are on a website. As you can see, there are 3 versions of their webpage: US, UK and Hong Kong. Prices are similar, so if you're not from these countries, just pick what's geographically closer to you. I'm from Moscow, Russia, so UK is the closest one for me, so all other examples would be based on it, just for simplicity. The assortment is just a little bit different, so if you don't see the exactly size of the exactly item you want, you can check the another one. But anyway, there are so many cool stuff there. Here we comes to an important decision. Do you want to place a huge or a small order? It stands on different things, let me explain. If you are, for example, from UK and you order from UK website, you can get free delivery already from £50, and the worldwide free delivery starts from £150. Why is it important to remember? Because sometimes the regular shipping would cost the sum of plus 1, 2, 3 good items. So if you don't need so much stuff for yourself, why not to place a huge order with your friends? Everyone will get a free delivery then. And also don't forget about future celebrations as birthday parties, New Year and stuff like that. Preparing gifts for your dearest will save you time near the date. If you understand that you need just a pair of items, just skip the next one and continue watching for saving advices. The next step, remember about taxes if you are ordering from abroad. In Russia, in 2020, the free tax limit is 200 euros and 31 kilos. If you cross any of them, you have to pay a tax. And UPS Delivery, the company KILLSTAR works with, would also take some money for the services. If you don't cross these limits, then free delivery would be really free for you. So in my case, if I prefer a perfect combo, free delivery and no tax, I have to balance between £150 and 200 euros, which is 175 pounds. Not so hard actually. Finally, shopping. If you don't have an accurate picture of what you really want, I mean the exactly styles, go straight to the clearance section. Yes, Instagram fashion is fast, but it's important to remember that you dress, first of all, for yourself. And there's nothing bad in wearing something which is not from the newest super pooper collection. Fast, all new arrivals would be reduced in some months for 20–30%, maybe in a half year, but still you will find it reduced. So, if you can wait just for a little bit, add your favorite items in the wish list, and there also you can track their prices. It's a very rare situation that something would be sold out before getting a reduce, and it's not a world problem anyway. Okay, still on hurry because special sales are still a thing. Here discounts could be more than in the clearance or even for items which were not in the clearance before. They do special sales fast every time, just be sure that you are subscribed to their mails. They are not big spammers, they send about 3 mails a week, 1 for a new collection, 1 as a collection recommendation, and 1 for a sale. Shoes only, home decorations only, buy 2, get 1 free, and some other stuff. Just wait the best option for your wishes. For example, I got 2 coffin cases for the price for 1, and it's not the cheapest item, so I'm super excited about it. And here we comes to, yes, finally Black Friday. This year it's on the 27th of November. But on KILLSTAR it's not just a date, it's a huge sale which starts on the 21st, 22nd of November and ends on the first week of December. You can easily check their previous posts from the previous years on their Facebook page. It's same every year. And exactly after Black Friday, it's Cyber Monday, so together it's a huge 2-3 weeks long sale. I'm making this video in the middle of October, and from here it seems like there is a lot of time, but believe me, it's very soon. So if you are watching this video close to Black Friday, my highest recommendation would be to wait just a little bit now. Maybe save some more money and be hasty exactly on the start. Popular sizes would be gone in the first dates, but Black Friday is Black Friday. The discounts would be very huge, from 25 to 85%, and your waiting definitely worth it. If you are watching this video in the other time of the year, don't be upset, there would be other sales too. But yes, Black Friday is the biggest one in the whole year. We are almost finished, items are in the cart, and maybe you've heard about promo codes, but seems like in 2020 it's not a deal anymore. There are a lot of coupon sites like Coupon Follow, hotdeal, etc., but none of them works. None, just don't waste your time. In my previous video I told a lot about promo codes. KILLSTAR themselves posted a lot of promo codes on their Instagram account, but I didn't see any post like this for months, so just skip it. But remember about points. On this step you can get an extra discount and you choose what's more beneficial for you, pounds or percents. Both would work with already reduced prices. And let's check on examples. If you want to place a small order and you know that you are not going to make any big orders in the closest future, sure, you can use pounds. For example, some nice and small items, like home accessories, could be fully covered with these coupons, you just pay for delivery. If you place a huge order which is more than £100, sure, you better use percents. But be very attentive to the tax limit on this step. If the limit is more than €200, never mind, just use the highest coupon you can get for your points. But if your limit is €200, like in Russia, don't use the coupon for 15% even if you have points for it, go for the 10 one. Let me show the math. We did this mistake before and I don't want you to repeat it. The problem is in papers they attach to the parcel. The catch is that KILLSTAR gives you a free delivery after all the discounts. That means that the whole sum should be more than £150 after using these coupons, not before. But in the documents, for some reason, they will write the prices without this extra discount. Not the original prices, of course. If the items were in clearance, no problem here. I mean that they don't write this extra discount in documents and the sum which is written is bigger than you have actually paid. In our case, the sum in documents were higher just for some pounds, but we have to pay a tax and overpay for the UPS services too. We have sent to the custom the bill with correct prices and the bank statement, but it was no argument. Okay, again, short and clear. If you have a €200 tax limit and don't want to cross it, and want to place a big order and get both free delivery and extra discount, your sum in the cart before attaching an extra discount should be about £166. You use 10% discount and your final sum should be about £150. That's it. Don't be shocked, just do the math. If you are still here, thank you, you are a hero. And one more advice about KILLSTAR or other brands you are interested in. Don't forget to search for photos or videos of products you want to buy, because it could stop you from buying things you would be disappointed. I bought one dress which I thought would be thin and flying, but it was actually made of thick and inelastic velvet. And it wasn't seen on the official photo, so I was kind of disappointed. So how you can do it? Google the name of the item, and some resellers do their own photo shootings. Light is different, models are different, you will see another fitting of the item and maybe some hidden moments which were not seen on the official photo shooting. Don't forget about YouTube, we're still here, just same strategy, just type the name of the item. If a blogger write it in the title or in the description, you will find it. And of course, don't forget about Instagram. Don't waste your time for KILLSTAR or We Are KILLSTAR hashtags. Just write KILLSTAR and exactly name of the item, or KILLSTAR and type of the item. For example, Maya Brim hat or KILLSTAR hat. So, we are done. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope some of these advices, at least some of these advices, were helpful for you, and if you can add something, please write in comments. This information is relevant for October 2020. Things change fast. If you saw my previous video, I've learned more and things changed a lot. Thank you guys for watching, it was nice to spend time with you, and till the next video, bye!